Good day everyone, I hope you doing well. I am from Asia, and this is Mr. Peculiar. I am music commentator, comedian and music enthusiast. I'm very exciting, because today I will reacting a singer from the country of Holland. She is a very talented and unique singer. She is Amira Willighagen, a talented Dutch. She won the 6th season of Holland's Got Talent in 2013, at the age of 9. She can speak several languages. She sung in performances and impressed the judges with her version of O Mio Babino Caro. She was awarded International Mediterranean Best Female Opera Star in 2019. And she sang 10 songs never recorded or performed by her before, including Senza Catene. This is Italian version of Unchained Melody. It's very sad. We haven't heard this version. I'm sure it is a great version. Now guys, she sung Nessun Dorma. So guys, without more ado, let's get into.
Nessun dorma, nessun dorma. Tu pure principessa.
She is undoubtedly a star talent. Her vocal range is fantastic. Her voice has sincerely moved me. So sweet sounding throughout her registers.
Nella tua fredda stanza guardi le stelle che tremano d'amore e di speranza.
Oh, very unique voice. Her voice very captivating, very unusual. Her long vibrato down to up is very beautiful, wide range and powerful.
Speranza, ma il mio mistero è chiuso in me, e non nessun saprà, no.
She is blessed with pretty voice. This kind of song is not my type, but when I heard Amira, I was enchanted by her voice. Her voice is like a bird that puts a child to sleep. I am like a child that she puts to sleep, who dreamed a beautiful dream. Beautiful operatic wavering of vocal tone, her rendition performed with breathtaking. She attracted all the people in this song. Her unique tone gives sounds like unusual and fantastic. It is very enjoyable to listen. Wow! Her voice is getting better and better, and her pitch is amazing and wonderful. I'm very impressed. What a very powerful and strong voice. I like her long notes with beautiful operatic vibrato. It's so amazing. I never tired of listening. Amazing performance of Amira, very beautiful operatic rendition, awesome mixed voice. She gives life in opera songs. She is somberly impressive. She has a unique voice. Combining her emotion are perfectly done. I know the viewer would be amazed with her unique talent. It was like I was in the old period of time of music and place. That's all, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching with me. If you did, please be sure to hit subscribe, and I'll see you next Amira reaction video. Again, thank you and have a good time around.